Doctor, what precautions should we take against influenza?
To prevent influenza, follow these precautions. Get vaccinated annually. Practice good hand hygiene by washing with soap and water or using hand sanitizer. Avoid close contact with sick individuals. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or elbow when coughing or sneezing. Stay home if you are sick to avoid spreading the virus.
Thank you, Dr. Amir. It was wonderful knowledge shared with everyone. Wish to see you about another health topic.
Goodbye, and share your comments for today's session.